Hi everyone, this is a 6-pin Eurospec Euro cylinder, still in its double form. Try and pick it with pin side tension and this hook. Light tension as usual. Out 4, 5 and 6. A lot of vague feedback from this lock. It's all standard pins, pretty good tolerances, so it's really a case of just going up the pins in turn and just gently pushing them. Might get a little click like that, a little bit of feedback on the tension wrench. That's about it though. I'm using a slightly slimmer. Pick the slim side as makes this a bit easier. Keyway is it's a little bit thinner than the Yale keyway, so access is not as easy as it is with other keyways. Just going to increase the tension a little bit now, make sure I don't drop any pins. I feel like we've set a few now, so get pin 1, put that one in. Stack again. There we go. It's picked open. Yeah, it's quite a surprise when that pops open. The feedback is pretty vague, as I said before. All standard pins in there, so I'm not going to go through the process of gutting this. And thank you for watching. See you next time.